Hey friends, thanks for being here. I gained a lot of new followers from my last trend report video, so thank you so much for being here. And as requested, I'm coming at you with another hot trend. The trend I'm going to share with you in this video is going to work across the board in all different niches, and it's still so new. So now is the time to jump on it before other Etsy sellers jump on it too. And because it can be applied to almost any niche, this is huge. I love when new trend aesthetics come up or new font styles come up, because this is when you can dive into the market because there's so much demand across the board. This is also a pure example of why and how Etsy and print on demand will never be saturated, because I never saw this trend coming. I'm not kidding. I've been doing this for 4 years now, and every year there is a new trend or a new aesthetic or a new font that you can dive into and dominate. It's never ending, okay? And at first I was overwhelmed with how to make these types of designs, but I figured out an easy and effortless way. So I'm gonna show you guys a full tutorial on how to make these designs in this video, so stick around. I'm honestly not even sure what to call this trend. I guess like the paint stroke trend. All right, so here's an example of this trend on Etsy. So this is for Easter. It has a total of 140 sales. It's only been up for 2 months. And yes, this is a PNG file, but this is a good indicator that it is going to sell well on a shirt or a sweatshirt or a tote bag or a mug, whatever these people decide to do with it. Here is another example here. This is in 20 plus carts. And then this is a little bit different than that first one that I showed you, but it is similar. Also a bestseller, and it is currently in 10 carts. Now, many people are buying up these PNGs. I'm going to show you how we can make our own so that we can have a different design than what these people are already going to be using. And now Easter is very close to us, so I don't suggest doing Easter designs, which is why we are going to look into the teacher niche for this video. I always get asked questions, how can I be a seller in a big, broad niche like the teacher niche? I wish I could design for that niche, but I'm a small seller. How could I ever tap into that market? Here is your chance. Whenever there is a new design trend or a new aesthetic or a new font, you are able to, as a small seller or a big seller, tap into these big, broader niches and make a lot of sales and skyrocket your shop. This is the way, and the time is now. So I'm coming to the search and I'm typing in teacher shirts. And what I like to do is I like to take about 10 minutes to browse Etsy. I also browse on Pinterest, but I take a look to see what types of designs are selling, what types of aesthetics are selling, and how I can apply all of these to my own design. In the teacher niche, there's always a lot of big, bright colors, plus personalized teacher shirts always seem to do really well. For example, this one has sold 231 times this month. Here is another really bright, colorful teacher shirt with some graphics such as pencils and papers and apples. And this one is sold 93 times this month. The listing age, it's only been up for 7 months. So I am gathering all of this information for my own design. I am thinking I want bright colors, and I'm going to make this a personalized product. All right, so here we are within KITTL, and right away we're going to go over here to new project, and I'm going to customize this to 5,000 by 5,000 with a 300 DPI. This is going to make a really nice print. And now right over here, this little star looking icon is KITTL AI. We're going to click into this, and then we're going to click right here, image generator. And you want to make sure that you come here to advanced, and I'm going to paste my script in here. So you want to get really detailed. You want to think about what your design should look like. You're not going to let AI completely do this for you. You have to get really detailed with the colors of each brush stroke, with the graphics that you would like in each each brush stroke for it to work properly. We're going to do the watercolor style and come down here and generate image. Okay, so here's an example. I don't super love this, so we're actually going to generate again. I don't mind this, but I feel like I don't love these colors. So I'm going to do pastel crayon colors. I actually think that this is really cute. I love how it turned out, but you can also generate again and again until you find the exact one that you like, but this came out super cute. And because I said I wanted to personalize this, I'm actually going to erase teacher. However, there are shirts that sell really well that literally have the word teacher on them. So you could make one that just says teacher on it, but then do personalized ones. So I'm going to use the eraser up here, and I'm going to erase teacher, and I'm going to add my own text. So I'm going to come here for text, and I'm going to do Mrs. Sampson, just a random name. And I'm going to pick, I want like a scripty font. Let's see, maybe. I like this one. I'm going to bring this down here and I'm going to make it bigger. Yeah, I really like that because it's kind of like paint strokey as well. I'm not sure what this is called, but it looks like this if you want to use this too. I think that looks super cute. Time to save my design. So I'm going to come up here to export, and I'm going to remove the background because we don't want this white box to appear on our products. So remove background, and I'm going to optimize the quality. It's going to export it at the best quality. Export. And now you can try out KITTL for free in the description below. And if you like it, if you use that link, you will get 25% off all KITTL plans. So now I have my PNG file. Now I'm going to show you my favorite products within Printify that I will be applying these designs to. And now I am in Printify. This is the company that I use to print, package, and ship all of my print-on-demand products. So I'm going to show you the products that I am using this trend on, especially if it's in the teacher niche. So number one, we're in catalog, we're going to come to women's clothing and t-shirts. And my biggest seller is the Bella Canvas 3001. So I like to choose manually, and I also like to use Swift POD, but all of the printers are really great. We're going to go to start designing, and now I'm going to upload that design. All right, so here we have the design. I'm going to center it. A color that tends to do really well in the teacher niche and on Bella Canvas shirts is the soft cream color. I'm going to preview this to show you. Beautiful. Now, because this is a personalized item, you're going to want to save your product within KITTL. So whenever you get an order for this, you can easily come in and just change the name to whatever it is within your Etsy order. Now, because this is a personalized item, you're going to want to save the template within KITTL, and then you just come back to it whenever you get an order, and you would just change out the name to whatever it says on the Etsy order. And then you would just go ahead and export again, make sure to remove the background and to optimize the quality each time. If you are overwhelmed by personalized listings, I will link in my description below my YouTube video about how to list personalized items on Etsy step by step using Printify as well. Another product that does really well in the teacher niche is sweatshirts, and my go-to is the Gildan 18,000. I'm going to upload my image, and we're going to scale this in a huge seller. I feel like this would be such a cute design for an art teacher too. But we're gonna go to select, and I like to do ash or sand is a huge seller. Let me preview to show you. That looks super cute. And then another product is we're going to come to bags, and tote bags are huge in the teacher niche. So, and take a look, it's $7. You can get a pretty decent profit margin with these. This is so cute, and I could see this selling really well as a teacher gift. People purchasing gifts for the holidays or birthdays or the end of the school year or the beginning of the school year or teacher appreciation week. The teacher niche is huge, and this is a way to tap into that big, broad niche. Okay, adorable. There's an example of what it would look like. Mugs are another really great option for this type of design. And also, candles are big sellers and big gift items for teachers. And that design would look super cute right here on a candle. And if you still have not set up your Etsy print-on-demand shop, no worries. In my link in my description below is my free print-on-demand to freedom course that's going to hold your hand through the entire process. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and in the comment section below, comment trends so I know to keep these types of videos coming. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next video.